Hello, my name is Dalila and I am part of the Parent Star program at the Children's Museum of Houston. Today I will be showing you how to do this activity. The activity name is called Guess My Number. For this activity you're going to need a pair of scissors, a brown bag, markers, and a sheet of paper number 1 to 20. So first thing is we're going to be decorating our little brown bag. You can decorate your brown bag however you like. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write the words guess my number. And I'm going to be decorating it with question marks all over the bag with different colors, so it can look colorful. But like I said, this is your bag. You can do whatever you like. You can do flowers, you can do circles, you could do squiggly lines, you can draw your family, anything you like. Okay, so I finished my guess my number, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the side. Now we're going to go ahead and cut this sheet of paper. We're going to cut each square. So I'm just going to go ahead and just cut it this way first, because I find them a little bit much easier for me. So and after you're done cutting it, just go ahead and just mix it up a little bit. And open your little brown bag. And put the numbers. So this game is a two-player game. So player one will grab a number from the bag, and then player two, of course, is not supposed to see the other number, and player two is going to ask player one different questions. It has to be yes or no questions. For example, is it a double digit or is it a single digit? Is it an even number? Is it an odd number? Is it greater than or is it less than? And whenever player two guesses the number, then player one goes, and then that's how you play the game. I hope y'all enjoyed this activity. Have fun. Bye.